Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like, and also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped, or if you have any questions. Thank you. And in this video, I want to show and tell you how to add music to your Instagrams. For example, you have a video ready, or you want to shoot it. You go into Instagram. We don't need any other apps. You click on the story, or click on the house icon, and swipe to the side. I'm recording the story. What do we need to do to add music? We click on the sticker icon. It displays a list of different stickers. Look for a sticker with music and click on it. Here we see a search and a list of recommended songs. Or there is a browser where you can search for songs by different categories, styles, genres. I'll put any song in the search. For example, NCS. I click on the song. It gets added to the story. If your song has lyrics, there's an option here to include parallel lyrics to the song that will appear in your story. I can also change the icon for the song itself. I choose this one. Next, we choose the passage that will be played. We can listen to it. Click on Done. We place an icon of our song, and we publish our story. That's the easy way. That was the Phone Support Channel. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.